episode 10, take 1.
Hello and welcome to Zazumi Review Me. I'm Sheri Barbera.
I am Sal Barbera.
Today we're reviewing Realtor channels on the 4 T's, and they are number 1.
Topic.
That's your channel banner. Number 2.
Trailer.
That's the trailer that goes right below your channel banner and tells us about your channel. Number 3.
Thumbnails.
Thumbnails are the most important thing that you have because they're the first thing that people see to click to go to your channel. And number 4.
Titles.
And they are hugely important as well because if someone's doing a search on YouTube, if your title is exactly what people are searching for, your video is going to come up.
It's what's underneath your thumbnail, and it explains what the video is going to be about.
It's a headline.
It's huge.
It's a headline. It's huge.
It's
so
huge.
let's get right into it. We have 6 channels that we're reviewing today, and the first channel is Jennifer Bergman.
Cool.
Let's start with the banner, and the banner should tell us what the channel's about, and we know that you're a realtor, so
Because it looks like a workout.
Looks like a fitness channel.
A fitness channel.
Looks
It
like a
does.
fitness channel.
It does. You want people to just immediately think that it's a real estate channel.
real estate channel.
If you're selling real estate.
So it should have your name, it should say realtor, you should be dressed like a realtor, maybe there should be a house behind you, something like that. And then there should be a call to action on your banner that gets people to do something, whether it's to go to your website, whether it's to look at a house that you're listing, whether it's to learn more information. Let's go down to your trailer. So you have a trailer.
Trailer's a little long because we think a trailer should be
At the most 2 minutes.
at the most 2 minutes. So you
Right.
tell everything about your channel in a nutshell, what you're going to be doing.
What it's about, what you do, and then a call to action.
Right.
And then what your videos will be and when you post. Finally, let's look at your thumbnails. Look great. They look very branded because
Love the
number
thumbnails.
1, you're in every one of them. I love that.
Yep.
Number 2, the text on top of the thumbnail.
Text on top of the thumbnail is so easy to read.
Readable.
So big, so
Love
bright.
it. Do we know that you're a realtor from the thumbnail? Maybe from the text, yes. Maybe from the fact that there's you're in a house, which is great, in every one of them except the last one.
Well, in fact, if you read the text on the first thumbnail that I'm looking at, which I like, you know what I like about it? It tells a story. And it says, it's my first 2 weeks as a brand new real estate agent. Now, you're doing 2 things. You're telling people what's going to happen in the video.
Right.
And you're intriguing them to see your progress as you go along. You're building a story.
Building a
Which is
story
huge.
is great. Look at your titles. My first 2 weeks as a brand new real estate agent. How to choose the right brokerage. How to study for the real estate exam. Excellent. How to pass the real estate exam. I think the titles are great.
Titles are great.
Titles are great.
It tells a story, a progressive story, and I like that.
What needs to really be worked on is the banner
Just the banner.
for the topic
Yeah, make everything look more real estate-y.
to hook us. And then what you have up there right now as a trailer can be for subscribers, for returning subscribers.
Exactly.
As the video that they
As
see.
a video for them to see.
Okay, so who is our next one? Vanessa Williamson, who has 15,500 subscribers. Yay, you. Investment property bars, serving real estate investing tips for beginners. I love your banner.
I really like your
love
banner
it.
a
It's
lot.
got a fabulous picture of you. It tells us what you do. It shows that there's a book that you wrote.
Call
You
to
go,
action.
girl.
The book
Blood,
is a call to
sweat, and
action without
gold.
even saying anything.
Fabulous.
They don't even have to say buy my book. It shows that this is my book.
And you have a call to action, subscribe and turn on notifications with a bell.
Right.
So that's fantastic. Now, is there a channel trailer? Yes, there is a wonderful channel trailer, Real Estate Investing for Beginners. Immediately intriguing.
Yep.
Thumbnails, are they branded? I think number 1, your face is on every one of them with that awesome smile, that gorgeous smile. You're beautiful. Really like when you have a color on the side.
They're a little different. A lot of them are different from the other ones.
Yeah,
So
there's a lot going on.
Um,
Different fonts, different
fonts.
yeah,
That's what I
lots
was
of
looking
different things. So I would say pick one. I happen to love that raspberry color. I think looks great. I would maybe use more of the raspberry and then maybe use some of the blue. I would pick a couple of those and stick to them so that there's branded consistency across your channel. Titles: so Vanessa Williamson, love that it's your name. Live Q&A tips for new real estate. That's intriguing.
title.
How to become a short sale real estate agent. That's excellent.
the whole idea
Investing
about the
for
title is
beginners.
tell the story of what the video is going to be. The reason the thumbnails should be consistent and they should be maybe
Branded.
the same colors, branded, and the same design set up is because you want to know when somebody looks over it and sees a suggested video and they see the thumbnail, they want to say, oh, that's Neva's.
Oh, that's Neva. Want that consistency, that branding in your thumbnails.
That's why we say that.
To reinforce who you are, who you are, who you are, who you are.
Right.
Okay, but great job.
Beautiful.
So our next one is Olga Velasquez, and look at the topic. The banner is awesome. Oh my gosh. Real estate, business, lifestyle. Olga Velasquez, 2 pictures of you, both of them beautiful. And I love the background. It doesn't say when you post, so that would help. And
I do like that the whole city is in the background.
I like that
The
too.
city line.
There isn't really a call to action. I think it's a really good banner. It just could use like when you post and a call to action. A trailer. There is a real trailer. 1 minute and 8 seconds. Yay
1
you.
minute and 8 seconds is
Yay
excellent.
you. What is my YouTube channel all about? Channel trailer. Hello.
She
This is the
didn't
best one.
text on a trailer saying what the trailer is about. You're telling them. Yeah.
Now let's go to get your thumbnails. Are they branded? They're all your face, which is fantastic.
Your
So we
picture's
know
on
it's
almost
you.
every one of them, which is great.
It's very good text, but it's not consistent. But I can read it. It's very readable. Are they branded?
Well, we like to say this. We don't want to be repetitive, but we like to say the same thing. Color should be kind of the same on all the thumbnails. The text, the font.
Yeah.
They have to know it's you.
I mean, we know by looking at your channel banner, which is amazing. It's you. You've got this beautiful pink and yellow behind you. The black stands out fantastically. You're wearing pink pants, a black blouse. So maybe your colors are pink, yellow, and black. And if we saw that consistently as branding in your thumbnails, we'd start to know immediately, oh, look, it's Loida. Oh, look.
Thumbnails that jump out at me are live and live.
Right.
Okay,
Live is
cold
huge.
call, live.
And there's one that says 5. I see 5 video ideas. You know, I get that. Look at the ones that really pop out and maybe follow that more on the rest of your thumbnails.
But keep the colors consistent and keep the fonts consistent.
Consistent. And now let's look at your titles. Live, For Sale by Owner and Expired Role Play, How to Start a YouTube Channel in 2021, My Podcast Behind the Scenes Tour, Cold Calling Live, 5 video ideas. I think the titles are great.
They are great.
I
They
think
are
your
great. They
titles
tell the
are
story of what the video is going to be.
Yeah,
That's
so
what they're supposed to.
there isn't a lot, that needs to be done here. I would say more branding to be a lot more consistent,
branding.
so we know it's Loida.
Type and colors on your thumbnails.
And then a call to action on your banner. Great job, Loida.
Good job.
Brian Casella, he's standing in front of a luxury property, in front of an amazing skyline with a very expensive car. So think Brian sells luxury real estate.
Tells that story right there.
That's what I get out of this. He's got 173,000 subscribers. Fabulous. Does he have a trailer? Yes and no,
10
because
minutes.
it's 10 minutes.
I like the wait. I'm gonna just go back to
Okay.
the banner for a second. I love the banner. I love that it says that it's luxury properties, but it should say luxury properties.
There are no clickable hot links on the banner. I would recommend that you have at least 3 because you want people to also have something to click to. Okay, so the trailer. Let's go to the trailer. The trailer is 10 minutes and 27 seconds. Not really a trailer, more video, but in the trailer place, so I love that. I think pros and cons, huge, is fabulous. And the title of the trailer, what are the pros and cons of being a real estate agent? So
Intriguing.
let's look at your videos and go to your thumbnails. Wow, let's talk about branding here. Huge branding.
I like the thumbnails. I love the outlining
I think
of the
they're
body.
fantastic.
That's
Yeah.
that's a great thing.
I mean, it's you and
The
every
big,
single
bold
one
type.
of them. The bold type is excellent. I do like that there's a variety of colors on the text. They're still branded. Like, we know it's you, right?
The type is the same. The font is the same. The boldness of it is the same. And your picture is always right there.
And your picture is great. Wow, going down, very branded.
Yeah, very branded.
Very branded.
So people would be able to see in a suggested video on the
Wow.
right that is you.
Okay,
That is Brian.
and then titles. The key for success in 2021, very clickable. How to compete with online companies. 5.7 million people will lose their homes in the next 60. Wow, that's a clickable title. I predicted this 6 years ago. That's clickable because everybody wants to know what did you predict? I think the titles are good. God, your channel banner is just beautiful.
It is. Just tell a little bit more
just
on there.
beautiful.
Just a little bit more about how great you are.
It would be nice to know when
and
you
to
post.
say that it's luxury properties that you're selling. Say it on there so people
and
know
you
for
do
sure.
post a lot. It's easy for you to say when you post. 2 hours ago, 2 days ago, 5 days ago, a week ago. You're very
You're on it.
consistent
You're
with
making
posting.
videos.
That's fantastic. So great job, Brian. Maxwell. 220,000 subscribers. I think that is a gorgeous channel banner. What do you think?
It really is. The
Gorgeous.
photography is awesome.
Is exquisite. Do you have a trailer? Yes and no, because it's 15 minutes.
15 minutes. Okay.
But $1 million contract, hugely intriguing. Wow. Okay, so that's clickable. Let's look at thumbnails. Are they branded? They do have a specific look. I really love the ones that have like the beehive behind them. That's a really specific look. You have a lot of other people on your thumbnails. What do you think, honey?
There are other people, but they do tell a different story. Now, if
tell
you
a
look at them,
story.
they all have a different story about the person that's on the thumbnail. So it's fine.
I think there could be more branding.
What we're saying is that we want to know it's you when we look at
Right.
the thumbnail,
We want to know max.
just so we know it's you.
It does look like you're posting pretty frequently, a day ago, 6 days ago, 2 weeks ago, 3 weeks ago, 4 weeks ago, pretty much one a week. So you should be able to put right on your banner when you post, because people like to know. and get them used to showing up for
That's
your
another
next
call to
one.
action
With
for people to come and
220,000
watch.
subscribers, you're definitely doing things
Doing a
right.
great job.
Your titles. Building rapport is the key to wholesaling. Clickable. How wholesaling real estate works, hugely clickable. How to make thousands in college, okay, that's very clickable as well. I don't know what it has to do with real estate. My gift to you, that's just nice. Looking at multiple wholesale flips and rehabs, excellent.
Yeah, you don't have a problem with the descriptions.
No, the descriptions are great. So do I think, yes, I think they're really good. I think your channel banner is gorgeous. I think it just needs to say it's about real estate.
It's about real estate.
It's about
And maybe
real
make your
estate.
thumbnails just a little more consistent and
More branded.
show you more.
Yeah,
Brand
because,
yourself more on the thumbnails.
handsome man, great to look at on your thumbnails. The consistency of that branding would be huge, right?
Exactly.
Would be huge. Okay,
Right.
so great job. And finally, Graham Stephen, which if you know anything about YouTube, real estate, or finances, you already know about Graham Stephen. He is a huge success story. He's got 2.63 million subscribers. Does he need to really have anything else on his banner?
It's like when you say people that are so successful,
He's so
and they
successful.
break some of the YouTube rules for your channel specifics.
At a certain point,
At a certain point,
doesn't matter.
can you say anything? You can say it,
You could say it, but doesn't matter.
but it doesn't matter.
It doesn't really
because
matter.
they're already way over the top.
Right,
And
so what we get out of this is that he is wildly successful. Look at the car. Is there a channel trailer? No, but yes, so it's there. But how I became a millionaire in real estate by 26?
yeah, I mean, it's really
Holy crap,
it's
right?
a short film. Is basically what it is. It's 24 minutes, so
But as
it's not even a short
realtor,
film. It's a
I would
half a
wanna-
movie.
I would want to watch it, right?
Well, exactly, because you want to know
it's so
how it all
intriguing.
happened.
How did it happen?
That's the difference between when somebody is super successful. You can do whatever you want, basically.
Basically.
And somebody's going to want to watch that video.
I want to watch that video.
All right.
Okay, so let's go and look at the thumbnails. Are the thumbnails branded?
Yes.
Look at this gigantic text.
The text, the pictures,
Look
the
at the
bold
giant,
colors.
bold close-ups of your face. There's just not, I don't have to say anything. Okay, let's look at the titles. How
With
to
in different ways.
Increase your credit score, suing Robinhood, the upcoming real estate collapse explained, warning, the great reset, why I'm selling my stocks, meet the homeless man who bought a Bugatti.
Like anything that anybody's ever been worried about, here it is. Find out what it's
Excellent.
all about.
Great. Every one of them, I think, is a great example of what to do, maybe what not to do sometimes, but how it can be improved.
But so easily fixed. So
easily fixed.
Straightened out so that everything is...
If you're a realtor, get on YouTube. This is the place for you to be to sell who you are, what you do, where you do it,
God,
why you're
it's
great
the most
at it.
crazy free advertising
It's excellent.
venue ever. And who knows how long that's going to last, that it's going to all be free.
Yeah, and that it's free. Get on YouTube. I'm Sheri Barbera.
I'm Sal Bergman.
This is TV with Yumi, and that's Resident, baby!